Hi, hello friends. This is Jolene and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Hope you're having a good day. I am. I went to my mailbox and what did I see? A fun package from EyeScream Beauty, haha. Anyway, I didn't get my box, but I got my bag from EyeScream Beauty. So this will be a short video. I'm excited to share what I got. Now this bag is $12.50. I think I paid $12 or $11 because I purchased, oh no. I thought I purchased a long term, but maybe not. I just paid $12.50 a month. So, but you get, it's just, you get some really fun things in this package. You always get, this is what the package itself looks like. You always get at least an eyeshadow palette and then 2 or 3 other things. So it's a pretty good deal for $12.50. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out what I got. And I got a big thing. And okay, so where shall we start? Let's start with this one. We got a pair of eyelashes, number 5 lash step. So I think these are the kind, that you put on separately, like the little individual ones. And then it comes with the lash step blind faux mink lashes and last step eyeliner adhesive. So maybe it's just an adhesive. Anyway, this right here is a bougie set of eyelashes. The pen is valued at $21 and the lashes are valued at $28. So $49 for that set. So that's a good value if you like lashes. Now I'm not a big wear lashes girl because my eyes water too bad, but I would wear them, I think, if I could wear them more. But I might try these. I don't know, we'll see. They'll either try them or put them in a giveaway maybe. So the next thing, I'm saving the eyeshadow palette to last. The next thing is from Illuminati, and it's sealed, so I don't want to open it. I love the color though. I love that color. And this is Illuminati lip oil for $20. Now I love lip oils, so I do have quite a few, but I might just have to keep that. That's really cool. In fact, I might even put that in my purse. Do you guys do that? Do you have like a purse one and then anyone in your room? One in your car? Okay, so that's a good one. Okay, so now we're going to the eyeshadow palette. And this is called the Jade Oakland, or it's Jade Oakland 40 color eyeshadow palette. Now I'm surprised because this is worth $20 and the eyeshadow palette is actually worth only $15 for that big palette. So it's an indie brand, a little bit cheaper. Okay, look at that. You got just about every color imaginable there. Now they're small, but they're fun. This is really fun. You can create some really fun looks with that. So there you go. There's that. So I got the palette, the lip oil, the adhesive, along with the lashes. So this, I think this came to, did I figure it out? 80, let's see, 50, 26, 36, 47. I think this came, it's around $80 for the 4 items, and I paid $12.50, but I think I mean, I would have paid $12.50 easily for this. And the other things are just like a bonus, I guess. But anyway, because this is super fun. Rarely do you get a palette that has just everything in it. Let me just try a couple. I don't know. I'm just going to try some different colors. There's a purple there that's interesting. There's a that. I'm going to try a color with the iridescence over it. Let me see. They kind of are iridescent-y. There's a purple, pink, and a green, and we got a blue green. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. What else should we try? I'm not into really orange, but let's try an orange one. Look at that. Okay, so it's a fun palette. You can do a lot with it. It's pink. There's lots of pink looks, orange, yellows, greens, blues, purples. About every range of all of those colors. So anyway, that was a nice little surprise. So I can't wait to get the box. Now the EyeScream box, beauty box, will have 5 or 6 items in it, and they also always carry a eye palette. So we look forward to that. I do want to tell you that I just started a new Instagram for my beauty. I have an Instagram. It's for my business, my blog, because I've had Eat Happy is my blog where I sell graphic design. Actually, I give like freebie graphic designs, and that's been my business forever. And now that I'm doing this beauty channel on Instagram, on YouTube, I thought, why not open another Instagram account just for my beauty? So I'm just getting set up on it. I'm just getting started right now. Jalene's Beauty Shopping Decor, and that's probably going to change. The name probably will change, but for now that's what it is. And I am getting ready tonight to put some fun things up on it, but I will start sharing photos of all my my fun packages that I get. I will share my shorts that I do. I do a lot of short videos. If you're not aware of that, you can go check my shorts. I have several shorts. I always do my subscription boxes as a regular YouTube video and also a short. So anyway, you can check that out. And I guess that's it for this video today for EyeScream Beauty. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for supporting me. I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the like button, go check out my Instagram account, or I have links down below in the videos of my accounts. So that's that, and we will see you guys in the next one. Alrighty, bye bye friends.